This is a secret waterfall in Manchester, Connecticut, and you'll never believe how we got here. Come on, I'll show you. This is your classic Bridal Veil Falls, and it's completely hidden from view. I'll show you. All right, we have to go downstream and cross this to get back to the car. Come on. All right, we made it back to Spring Street, and this easement and access to the falls was provided by a generous donation from Hayden Griswold Jr. in 1985. Hey, let's take one last look at those beautiful falls.